how can you implement this? What's changed? Another thing that the Barbie marketing campaign did really well was layered marketing or staged, staggered marketing. And for this example, we look at how Beyonce does her marketing.
Huge success be due to the fact that Beyonce's no promotion approach amounted to huge promotion once the album was released in a meta way. Oh my God, did you hear what she did?
Yeah, no, that's exactly right. What she's doing here is not removing all promotion, but really just sort of making the promotion transparent.
Especially for the recently concluded tour. At the same time, like the changes on her social feed that kind of reflect the vibe or the sound that's coming. So for this one, we went with a lot of black and white, high glam shots, because I think that's the overall vibe of this album that she just toured with. So there's that, like the announcement, the changes in like the Instagram feed or official comms, and then the release date, and then we have the initial match that goes, and then we have the announcement for the tour. And each tour has like different cities, so you can buy your tickets at etc. And then now after she's done the tour, something she did this time is I think she's launching either a new line of perfume.
I'm super excited. This is my Say Noir unboxing, and it's finally here after years of work.
If you look through how she layers her marketing, you can see the signs that kind of point to, oh, a new body of work is coming. So like last year at some point, there's someone who used to make these bedazzled cowboy hats. I know that is a very specific example, but it was on my feed on the clock app. So she used to make them, and then she went quiet for a while. And then after she went quiet because Beyonce's team was in talks with her to make the thing for the thing. So she went quiet and she couldn't put out like a lot more of that. So when the visuals first came out, everyone was like, "Oh, you copied the hat," but she's like, "No. I made the hat because I've been making it." Because okay, she had her own body work to prove that she's been making it. But you see how there's usually a quiet phase where things just start happening, and if you pay attention, you can kind of piece them together. So the hat came part of like the key visuals before the tour, before anything else launched. And then you stack it up with, so she's given you the new music, she's given you the Vinley or the related material of where to listen, how to listen. And then she's given you the tour date, so you've paid for the tour, etc. You've chosen your city where you're dying. Not dying, but choose your fighter. And then after that, I think for the homecoming tour, she did the like a recap video of everything. And with this one, I'm really hoping she does one because it was very enjoyable watching vicariously through the people who went for the tours. But you see, after the tour, there's like a recap of the tour, and then you have a drop of the perfume line that she's launching. Barbie also did the same thing. Just their collaborations were insane and they were so good. It was so much fun.
Welcome to Barbie's Dream House. Come on in.
The collaborations made sense for the different kinds of Barbies, the different phases of Barbies. Like they all made sense together. The collaboration with Airbnb. The collaboration with the luggage company, the buyouts on Google for TV Barbie, like all the collaborations made sense. So if your touch point is more TV media, you have something that works for you. If you're a travel person, you have something that works for you. Like all different touch points that just support the overall theme of the movie. How can you implement this for yourself? Introducing bundles or rolling out your products with customer buy-in. So something I really like doing for clients is running polls or quizzes on like their stories, or something that makes the customer vote for something. Like, should I pick this name or that name for this new drop? That kind of thing that has user buy-in already. And then when the drop happens, you can bundle, say if you buy 3, you get 15% off, or if you buy 3, there'll be a small surprise gift for you, or you can do this and that and save this much. You don't even need to give a discount. Just say if you buy this and that, considering this is the new price, you get this much. So find a way to layer your marketing, like add layers to your marketing comms to provide that interest and buy-in from your end customers, because ultimately they're the ones who buy and recommend your products or services. So that's how you can copy Beyonce's strategy and Barbie's strategy for your own brand.